Well, good evening guys, good evening everyone. I hope you're doing well. We return again. I'm gonna show you a new software or new something to use and to edit videos on laptop. It is an easy way to make short videos and long videos like professional. It is the easy one and available in the market on free way. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. His name is Camtasia Studio 8. It is a professional thing. First I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on the laptop like you see here. Okay, I go here. This is before you record, of course. This is the main theme or the main thing you will find in Camtasia Studio. Okay, this is how you're gonna import the media. Okay, in this way you will add it a video or a picture you want to edit on, so it's in easy way. Okay, like see here we have a video. Right then, now after we show the video, now I'm gonna show you how to edit on it. Okay, we will find here the sound and the level of sound. We upgrade the sound or raise the sound or down the sound. Here to mix in mono, enable noise. Here remove the noise from the sound, and this is pretty much how you edit the sound. And the next thing, you will find a lot of things important here, like you see, you find here zoom and layouts to write here, where you go from peak to peak or from scene to scene, and you found here you cut stuff. Of course you replay it in this way. Yeah, you cut sound. Yeah, you click in the keyboard as to cut sound. Okay, and you will control the sound anyway, or do what you want to do. Okay, now you will find the thing. It is easy, it is easy. You had only to focus on it. Okay, now you see the sounds. Okay, like here. Okay, you separate the video from the sound in this way. Okay, and you will add the sound later. Okay, and you see here the visual effects and a lot of things you can use. This is here you find transition from page to page in easy way and easy steps. Okay, here you found visual properties. Okay, and pretty much that's it. It is easy. And if you want to record the screen, I always used it. You record the screen from here, of course, like you see here. I am recording the screen. I hope you enjoy. Goodbye and take care everyone, and don't forget to follow. Bye bye.